Let's start with the non-vertebrate chordates. Remember, one major chordate group lacks backbones. These non-vertebrate chordates are tunicates and lancelets. Fossil evidence from the Cambrian period suggests that the ancestors of living non-vertebrate chordates diverged from the ancestors of vertebrates more than 550 million years ago. Adult tunicates, subphylum Chordata, look more like sponges than like other chordates. They have neither a notochord nor a tail, but their larval forms have all key chordate characteristics. The small fish-like lancelets in the subphylum Cephalochordata live on the sandy ocean bottom. The earliest fishes appeared in the fossil record during the late Cambrian period, about 510 million years ago. These animals had no true jaws or teeth, and their skeletons were made of cartilage. During the Ordovician and Silurian periods, fishes had a major adaptive radiation. The products of this radiation ruled the seas during the Devonian period, also called the Age of Fishes. Some armored, jawless fishes became extinct at the end of the Devonian, about 360 million years ago. Two other ancient clades of jawless fishes gave rise to the two clades, sometimes called classes, of modern jawless fishes, lampreys and hagfishes. Lampreys and hagfishes both lack vertebrae and have notochords as adults. They do have parts of what could be called the skull, which is one of the reasons they are still classified as vertebrates. Lampreys are filter feeders as larvae and parasites as adults. Hagfishes have pinkish-gray, worm-like bodies, secrete incredible amounts of slime, and tie themselves into knots. Other ancient fishes evolved a revolutionary feeding adaptation: jaws. Jaws hold teeth and muscles which make it possible to bite and chew plants and other animals. Early fishes also evolved paired pectoral. Pectoral fins are in the anterior, they branch from what we would think of as the chest, and pelvic or posterior fins, which are in the back. These fins were attached to limb girdles, which are supporting structures made of cartilage or bone. Paired fins offered more control of body movement, while tail fins and powerful muscles gave greater thrust. These adaptations launched the adaptive radiation of the class Chondrichthyes, which includes the sharks, rays, and skates. The Greek word chondros means cartilage, the tissue that makes up the skeletons of these cartilaginous fishes. There are hundreds of species of modern sharks, skates, and rays, ranging from predatory carnivores, such as the great white shark, to plankton feeders. Another group of ancient fishes evolved skeletons made of hard calcified tissue called true bone. This launched the radiation of the class Osteichthyes, or the bony fishes. Most modern bony fishes belong to a huge group called ray-finned fishes. Ray-finned fishes are aquatic vertebrates with skeletons of true bone. Most of them have paired fins, scales, and gills. The name ray-finned refers to bony rays connected by a layer of skin to form fins. The fin rays support the skin, much as the thin rods in a handheld folding fan support the webbing of the fan. Most fishes with which you are familiar, such as eels, goldfish, and catfish, are ray-finned fishes. Lobe-finned fishes are a different group of bony fishes that have evolved fleshy fins, supported by larger, more substantial bones. The few modern fishes that are descendants of ancient lobe-finned fishes include lungfishes and coelacanth. Another group of ancient lobe-finned fishes evolved into the ancestors of four-limbed vertebrates, or tetrapods. So we have three major groups of fishes. We have jawless fishes, cartilaginous fishes, and bony fishes. What adaptations launched the adaptive radiation of the cartilaginous fishes, the sharks, rays, and skates? The answer is that it was the development of jaws and paired fins.